Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to properly pick up a toad. First I'll introduce you to my toad. This is my juvenile American toad Chubbs. First I'm going to show you how to not pick up a toad. I repeat, not. How a lot of people will pick them up is from their belly, and that is a really bad spot to pick them up by. Because all their vital organs and their ribs and everything are in that area and you could really hurt them. So never pick them up by their stomach. Also, never pick them up by one of their limbs, like hang them upside down by their limbs. Never ever do that. Because toads are very gentle creatures and you could end up hurting their leg or their bone or one of their body parts if you did that. Another thing you shouldn't do is ever pick them up by the head. You should never pick them up by the head because, well, that's where their brain is, their eyes are, their nostrils are. It's just, and you could, if you're lifting them off the ground and you're just holding on to their head, you could break their neck or something. I mean, just don't do that. Now I will show you the right way to pick up a toad. So if any of you have bearded dragons, you probably know how to pick them up properly. And one way you can pick toads up is to go under their chest, right here, and pick them up from there. Like this. Chubbs. Another way to do it is just pick them up by their two front legs and put your fingers under their stomach and their back legs. So I hope this helped you on how to figure out how to properly pick up a toad. Please leave comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.